Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to another video. Thanks for being here. Today I want to show you how to make a serum, a face serum, anti-aging face serum. And today we're going to be using 4 oils. And I will put it up on the screen behind me so you can see what I'm using today. So what's gonna happen is, because I have to count all these drops, I am going to be silent for a while. So and also I'm going to be showing you how to put these labels on. So alright, so these are the labels I have today, and I hope you can see them, and I will show you how I put these labels on as well. Alright, let's get started. So first you need your bottles, and I'm gonna do 3 today. I'm gonna do 3 anti-aging face serum today, and then I am going to do another video, and also I'm going to show you how to clean your bottles with hand sanitizer, because the same job that the rubbing alcohol will do, it will do the same as well. So I just figured this out, and I'll say, let me show you guys how I start doing this. So all you need to do to clean these bottles without all the oils that, if any, that drop on it before putting on these labels. So this is a good way of, doing or using this rubbing alcohol. Alright, so let's get started, everyone. So first we're going to be using what are we using first? Let's use 4 drops of lavender. Oh, and before we go ahead, we need a serum, or we need one of these little funnel here. So you can use a funnel, or you can use this. So you don't have to use a funnel if you don't want to. I find when I use a funnel though, guys, it slows me down a bit. Alright, so let's get started. So I'm gonna start counting, and so I'm gonna be silent for a little bit. Alright, let's go. And we need 4 drops of each. Just make sure you cover it back before it any spillage. And so we're going to be using caramel roman. And so we need 3 drops of each. Then we're going to be using frankincense. We're going to be using 3 drops of frankincense. This is coming out too much. went out way too much. Oops. And so for the vitamin E, I'm going to be had 3 drops as well. And this is a new bottle. This small bottle, I wanted to try this one, but I have a bigger one as well. So we're gonna go ahead and use 3 drops. As you can see, guys, are really thick. That's a cleaning later. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to top these off with give me a second. I'm going to run and grab my oil. Sorry, I'm back. I decided I'm going to be using almond oil because I don't think I have enough jojoba oil, so I'm going to be using almond oil today. Again, you can use any fractionated oil that you need. You can even use coconut oil as well, or jojoba oil. You can use kernel oil. I mean, you can use any oil that you think you want to be used. I mean, my favorite though is jojoba oil, but right now I don't think I have enough. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using almond oil. So first, this is when your funnel comes in. And so your oil is ready whenever. For me, I always love to put these oil down for like 2 weeks, just because I like to actually let the oils get to know each other and, you know, mix together and so forth. So all you do is just give it a good shake. As you can see, give it a good shake. I'm going to finish the rest. So I find whenever I use this little funnel, it slows me down. And so when you make your own serums, face serum, this is an anti-aging face serum. It's, you know what's in there. When you go to the store, they have all these preservatives,